Imagine this. The bill comes, everyone's splitting evenly, and you only had a salad. Awkward, right? Welcome to Money Matters, and today I'm going to help you master those cringe-worthy money moments with ease. Let's dive into the compliment sandwich technique. It's my go-to for politely declining pricey invitations. Here's how it works. Start with a compliment, present your problem, and offer a solution. For example, I love hanging out with you guys. Compliment. But I'm on a budget right now. Problem. How about we grab coffee and go for a walk instead? Solution. Simple, right? Now let's talk about splitting the bill. If you're on a budget, be upfront with your friends before you order. Just say, hey, I'm going to pay for my meal separately today. Trust me, it's way less awkward than dealing with it afterward. In larger groups, enlist an ally. Find a friend who also wants to split by item. It's always easier to suggest when you're not alone. Or, offer to manage the bill. Use payment apps and put the entire bill on your card. Just make sure everyone Venmos or Quick pays you back. But be prepared, someone might not pay promptly. Planning ahead is key, especially for birthdays or special occasions. Assume even splits and decide beforehand if you can afford it. If not, suggest meeting before or after for drinks. It keeps you in the celebration without breaking the bank. And hey, as you progress in your career, even splits might become more common and often simpler. It's all about balance and finding what works best for you. Finally, don't be afraid to say no. It's perfectly okay to decline invitations to events that strain your budget. For things like gift exchanges, weddings, or showers, sending a small gift can soften the no. Mastering these tips will help you navigate those awkward money situations like a pro. Remember, it's all about being honest and finding solutions that work for everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. Catch you in the next video.